Hi guys, so today I'm not going to be doing a lesson, but I am going to be going over some sounds, okay? And these sounds are going to help you remember the sound and practice the sound, and you can go back to these sounds or this video whenever you just want to freshen up on your sounds throughout the summer or even next year when you're in kindergarten, okay? So I'm going to make this video for you. I'm going to say the sounds and maybe you can follow after me, okay? So let me share my screen. And we're going to be going over some of the sounds. Okay, the first sound is apple. Say it with me. Get ready. Apple. Good. Next sound. Say it with me. Get ready. Mouse. Mouse. Next sound is s. Can you say s? Get ready. Strawberry. Sorry. Strawberry. Next sound, say d. D. D is a quick sound. You always have to say this sound fast. This is a quick sound. You say d. D. Get ready. D. D. Nice. D. D. Dinosaur. Next sound is E. It's like if you're smiling. E. Say the sound. Get ready. E. Like eagle. E. Next sound is R. You have to put your lips in a circle. R. Rainbow. Rainbow. Next sound is fire. Can you say that sound with me? Next sound is iguana. Iguana. Say Get ready. Good. Next sound is and when you say this sound, I have to see your tongue. You have to be sticking your tongue out or else you're not doing it correctly. Watch my mouth. Like this, that, the, them, there. Do it with me. Get ready. Nice. Next sound is another quick sound. Whenever you say this sound, you have to say it fast too. Don't get fooled. This sound is t, t. Your turn. Get ready. T. Nice. T, t. Tractor. Tractor. Next sound is nest. Nest. You see the picture, the eggs are in a nest. Say it with me. Get ready. Good. Next sound is another quick sound. And when we say this sound fast, when we say this sound, we have to say it fast. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Again, get ready. Yes, like cactus, cactus. Next sound and final sound is going to be ah. Do you see how my mouth also looks like the ah? It's a circle. So you have to do that. Ah, drop your jaw. Ah. Your turn. Get ready. Yes, ah, octopus, octopus. Nice job saying the sounds. So that's it, boys and girls, for today. You can rewind the video and start it over, and you can watch it as many times as you like until you have all the sounds complete. You'll be learning a lot more sounds next year in kinder, okay? So just remember, I'm right down the hallway, and if you ever need any help, you can always come and ask me for help. I'll be very happy to help you, okay? So we only have 3 more days until your summer break. Today, we're going to be having it was a show and tell. So if you have something that's really important to you and means a lot to you, or a toy or something, it's show and tell. So make sure that you join us live at 1:30 to show us your favorite thing, okay? And you're gonna be able to talk about it for a little bit. All right, well, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be live talent show. Tomorrow is a live talent show. So you can show us your singing or dancing, or I know some of you do karate, so you can show us your karate moves, and it'll be a lot of fun, okay? So remember, only 3 more days of school. I can't wait. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye, guys.